How can I use web fonts in my email newsletters in LISTSERV Maestro? Designers of HTML newsletters have traditionally been limited to only about a dozen or so fonts that are pre-installed on most operating systems that they can reliably use in their email messages. However, in recent years, email clients have started supporting so-called web fonts, which are not installed locally but downloaded from a font server on demand by the recipient's email client. Support for web fonts in HTML email is not perfect, as some email clients are still unable to display them, but more and more can, so web fonts are slowly but surely becoming an intriguing new option for HTML email designers. To use web fonts in your email messages, you first have to define them in LISTSERV Maestro. Note that you only have to do this once for each font, and you can even have a single user do this for all users in the group. To get started, use the main menu and go to Editor Fonts under your account preferences. On this screen, you will see a list of all available fonts. The standard fonts are the usual web-safe fonts that you've been able to use for years. The list also includes a few popular web fonts which have been pre-configured in LISTSERV Maestro. To add your own custom web fonts, locate the font that you'd like to use in a font repository, for example Google Fonts. When you're ready, click the Add Fonts button in the top right corner. Then enter the name of the font, a list of fallback fonts, which is optional, and choose a default fallback from the pull-down menu. Fallback fonts are used in the order that you define them if an email client is unable to display the web font or the previous fallback font. Then select Web Font under Font Type and copy and paste the URL pointing to the location of the web font in the repository of your choice, followed by OK. You will now see your new web font in the list of available fonts. Now, when you customize any of the templates or enter your email content in the editor, you'll find your new web font under the Fonts menu. Whenever you use web fonts, LISTSERV Maestro will automatically embed all of the necessary code so that the font is compatible with as many email clients as possible. This will allow you to use exciting new fonts in all of your newsletters, while ensuring that email clients that don't support them will instead use a reasonable fallback font. Thank you for watching.